Hey, my name's Brett Emmons. I'm from the Glorious Sons, and you're watching 1019 KINK Radio in the Bloodworks Live Studio. Coster says you're not a Yeezy audience, but I think you are.
Always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. So gifted to find what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags, every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk off, they don't never take work off. Baby, I got a plan, run away as fast as you can. She found pictures in my email. I sent this bitch a picture of my dick. I don't know what it is with females, but I ain't too good at that shit. See, I could have me a good girl and still be addicted to the hood rats, and I just blame everything on you. At least you know that's what I'm good at. And I always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. So I gifted to find what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags, every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk-offs, that'll never take work off. Baby, I got a plan, run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan, run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan, run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan, run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan, run away as fast as you can.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you for your patience.